Hey YouTube, happy 2023. Today is the 7th of January 2023 and it's been a while since I've done a video, so I kind of figured I would do this. Now this is part of a ongoing series, how to build a web server. So I kind of figured what we'll do is we'll install Alma Linux 9.1. Now there's loads of distributions that you can use for Linux. I use Alma Linux at work as the preferred choice from CentOS. Alma is supposedly going to be supported for many years yet. So obviously using a distribution that is currently under support is better than using one that is not. So let's crack on. So first of all, I'm going to select English as the language. This is the installation screen when you boot up a VM or a new machine. I'm using a hypervisor through VMware. So I've got the minimal installation. I will do another one with the full installation if you want. Let me know below. Anyway, so let's crack on. So I'm going to select English United Kingdom. That's where I am from and that's where I currently am. And I'm going to click continue. And there's a few things we need to change in this screen, and we've got an extra warning icon. Please complete items marked with this icon before continuing to the next step. So if you are looking to keep this as is, then you still need to make sure that you've actually got an installation destination. But I'm going to work left to right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change our location to England. And then click done. Installation source, you can change that. This is from the virtual host, so that's fine, that's not an issue. Software installation, I've only got the minimal ISO, but you can select some options if you want to create a DNS server, a DHCP server, do some parallel computing and mathematics stuff, security tools and all of that sort of jazz. But we're just going to basically do the standard installation of Alma. Then what I'm going to do is select the destination. I've got a 30 gig VMware virtual disk and I'm going to select this. There we go, click twice and it will do it. KDump is enabled, that's fine. Now this is where it gets quite interesting. We're going to change the IP address. The virtual LAN that we're on does not support DHCP, so I'm going to click this on and then I'm going to click the configure icon. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to IPv6 first of all, and I am going to disable it. I don't use IPv6 at this moment in time, so I don't need to worry about it. And I'm going to go back to IPv4 and I'm going to change this from DHCP to manual. And then I'm going to add the address I want to use, which in this case, I need to turn number lock on, 192.168.40.3, and then the net mask is 24. No, it's not, it's a 240, and then the gateway address is 192.168.40.1, and then the DNS, I'm going to use Google's DNS. That might change later on as we go into the web development thing, but yeah, for now this is just the easiest way. So I'm going to click save and it is saying connecting. So once we have got proof that it's connected, we'll do it. Anyway, so we now got the host name and I'm going to call this savweb04 because I've got other web servers, and this just lets me know that I'm there. I'm just going to check that that has actually done. So 40.3, 28, 40.1, yep, okay, save, and I'm going to click done, and as you can see now it has propagated the information. Now what I'm going to do is, now this is a bit controversial, I know that some people are going to go, well yeah, but you know, you shouldn't really allow the root access. I know, I'm doing it just for the demonstration and it's easier than having to do things, and we'll go into that in other videos. So I'm just going to click done and then I'm going to click begin installation. This does take about 5 or 10 minutes. It does depend on your system and the configuration, etc. It's also good to make sure that the virtual LAN that you're using does have internet access. Not that it necessarily needs it, depending on what you're trying to install. But yeah, anyway, I'll come back to you once this has done. Okay, welcome back. So yeah, just going to reboot the system now. Okay, so we have now successfully installed Alma, and we're just going to reboot the system. And there we have it. So I'm just going to log in as root. And there we go. That is how you install Alma Linux. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this useful, hit that like, subscribe. And in the next episode, we're going to be going into how to install Apache and all the other web hosting kind of stuff. Cheers for watching, guys. See you in the next one.